Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention a wristwatch that you can buy from us. Imagine a Patek Philippe watch, exquisite and unique, embodying high luxury and exceptional craftsmanship. Their dial, made of brass, is decorated with titanium nitride, giving it extraordinary durability and brilliance. The Patek Philippe house is majestically placed on the dial, symbolizing the rich history and tradition of the brand. This watch is a true work of art, handcrafted to order and set with 12 topaz stones, which add even more luxury and sophistication to it. The hands, painted in an elegant blue, highlight the brand and give them a unique style. Their body is made of high-quality steel, ensuring strength and durability. With a case size of 53 mm, this watch is sure to turn heads and make a stunning accessory on your wrist. The genuine leather bracelet provides comfort and elegance. This men's watch is made in Switzerland, a country known for its craftsmanship in high-end watches. Their Swiss movement is renowned for its precision and reliability and is the stuff of legends. However, it is worth remembering that these watches are not intended for contact with water. Avoid wearing them in the rain or while taking a shower. However, thanks to a power reserve of more than a day, you can enjoy their operation for a long time. This Patek Philippe wristwatch has been fully serviced and works flawlessly. They are in excellent condition and are ready to become an indispensable accessory for their new owner. Being unique, they will highlight your style and taste, making you part of the history and luxury of the Patek Philippe brand. Have a nice day and happy shopping. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.